Sarao.
And I am Jackie Vargas.
And our board is all about companionship.
Companionship is a state of being. Ito ay pagkakalapit o pagpapalagay ang loob. Isang tunay na pakikisama sa mga tao na para sa ilang kadahilayan ay konektado.
What would I do without you?
Good companionship, pagpili at pagkakaroon ng mabuting mga kasama ay lubos na mahalaga para sa maraming mga dahilan at mula sa maraming aspeto.
Describe companionship in many ways, like a cozy feeling, a nice cold feeling, after a pleasant meal with family or friends, or that easy rhythm you fall into the familiar.
Partner, alam mo, kapag feeling down ako o masama ang pakiramdam ko, ikaw ang nagko-comfort sa akin. At sa'yo ko lang sinasabi ang mga sikreto ko. Alam mo sa partner!
Ang masasabi ko lang, alam mo ba, kapag sobra na ang mga tiwala ko sa mga kaibigan ko, paminsan nasasabi na nila ang mga sikreto ko sa iba.
Ganun ba kasi naranasan ko na yan sa mga kaibigan ko?
Kaya pala.
Tulad na lang na video na ito.
You're way too pretty for me, and we'd disagree because your modesty's just another thing that makes me crazy. Do you know what you were missing? Do you know who you are kissing tonight? And do you know it should be me? He'll break your heart, he'll tell you lies, and every time you cry, you will call when the boy's done you wrong, and I'll pick you up off the floor, 'cause what are friends for? I remember everything we do, our first movie and the smell of your perfume. Can't recall those drunken I love yous. I love you too. So he broke your heart, he told you lies. I'd never say I'm right. Oh God, it hurts, and what I've learned that you're not You will call when the boy's done you wrong, and I'll pick you up off the floor. If I told you the truth of what I've got myself into, you just ignore me 'cause you feel nothing for me, which turns me on more. What are friends for? And I should scream at the top of my lungs, I'm done with you. I'm afraid I could never say no. No! And I should scream at the top of my lungs, I'm done with you. I'm afraid I could never say no.
Ang mga tao ay hindi maaari mabuhay ng nag-iisa. Individual ay dapat mabuhay at makipag-ugnay sa iba.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go bad. 'Cause